Hey, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today I'm going to show you how to change out the gear oil on your Stark Varg. You should be doing this at 5 hours for the break-in service and then every 40 hours thereafter. It's really simple to do. Let's get started. To get this done, we have our Tusk oil change kit. It comes with the 7590 oil, 2 crush washers, an O-ring, a funnel, and some rubber gloves. Additionally, we're going to be using some contact cleaner to help clean things up when we're done. If you need any of these parts, you can find them on our website by clicking the link in the description below. To get this done, we have some common hand tools. Now, the Stark does come with a toolkit, which will come with most of what you need. But right here, we've got a torque wrench, T45, T30, and T25 bits. I've got a small flat blade screwdriver, safety glasses, rags, and then I do have a little bit of grease. This is optional. You can use some gear oil instead on the oil fill cap O-ring. And then we're also going to be using a drain pan. To start out, we need to remove our skid plate using a T45 socket. You'll have a bolt in the front and back on each side that need to be removed. So this is our drain plug right here. We're using a T30 Torx bit to remove it. And as you pull it out, pull the crush washer with it. And you can see on this oil, it looks a little milky, as if a little bit of water got in there. So we're gonna check that O-ring on the oil fill cap and make sure it's in good condition. And then right here we have the fill cap. We're gonna remove that with our T30. So I'm just cleaning off that O-ring and inspecting it. Next, clean the sealing surface off, and then we're gonna pour in a little bit of fresh gear oil to flush the system out. Next, we're going to clean our sealing surface and clean up the drain plug. We'll remove that old crush washer and wipe it down. Install the new one, thread it back into place, and we're going to torque it to 15 Newton meters. Next, I'm going to use my T25 to remove the oil fill level bolt. Then I'm going to use the supplied funnel and pour in gear oil until that oil starts to come out, the threads for that oil fill level bolt. And as you do this, the bike needs to be on a level surface and held upright. Once the excess oil has drained out, you can go ahead and clean up the oil level fill bolt, install that new crush washer, wipe down the sealing surface, and torque it to 5 Newton meters. Next, I'm going to replace the O-ring on the oil fill cap. I'm going to use some grease on it. At a minimum, you can use some gear oil on there. Then we're going to install that and torque it to 5 Newton meters. Then we're going to reinstall the skid plate and tighten the hardware to 15 Newton meters. All right, so there you have it. It's really simple to change that gear oil out. If you need an oil change kit or other items for your bike, you can find that stuff on our website. Just click the link in the description below. Let us know if you have any questions and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.